Clinton, I'm with Iron King, and this is what we do. Caterpillar D10N, second largest bulldozer Caterpillar makes. Just brought it in the shop this week to get tore down, to get the undercarriage sold. Right now we're tearing this thing down. It should take us about a week to get completed. Come back here, let me show you something. Right now we've got our new guy working on the ripper. It's always a fun prank to pull on new guys because it takes forever. You always got to burn the pins out, they're always stuck, something's always wrong with it. And sure enough, both pins are stuck. It takes the guy all day to get 2 cylinders out of this thing. So, we'll just go walk around the shop and I'll show you what else we do. And we've got our 3412 D9L engine in here. That's from our last machine we tore down. We got our D7H waste machine. That's actually going to be rebuilt. We've got various parts in here. This actually is not our parts inventory house. This is our teardown house. Back here, we've got our mechanics shop. This is where we worked on rebuilding our transmissions and components. This has been a quick look at Iron King's teardown shop. Thanks.